glass looks empty. You always try to see a better version of me. Never waiting, 'cause I know that you'll always make it. I can't take it. You're just too calculated. Yes, you want me to face it. I can barely face it. Yes, you want me to taste it. And I can barely take it. So I'm gonna hurt you first. I'm gonna hurt you first. I'll be the one who makes you cry. I'll be the one who gets to decide. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you first. Are you guilty? Is there a secret that you're hiding? My Prince Charming, I guess it's all a case of timing. Can you blame me for protecting myself, baby? You're too perfect, too perfectly orchestrated. Yes, you want me to break it. There's always someone who breaks it. Yes, you want me to taste it. And I can barely face it. So I'm gonna hurt you first. I'm gonna hurt you first. I'll be the one who makes you cry. I'll be the one who gets to decide. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you first.
When you play the victim, you should win an Oscar. You wouldn't beat me to the punch. I should've kept my guard up. You wanna make it about me when you know you the problem. You threw away the receipt when I gave you my heart, but your heart frozen. You locked me down. Your love is contra. Let's put it all on the table. You say this ain't no potluck, sweet nothing. I done bought it like a bootleg. You devil in a new dress, Prince Charming with the glass slipper, trying to make the shoe fit. You wrap your feelings up and hide them like a new gift. Doing what you do best, touche. Keep it cool, baby. Had to pick your brain, I'm a smooth operator. Mood ring glue, I'm just another wave in your leg. I'm dilated, got a dosage of my own medication. I play it close and never safe. One day, I look back and hear your voice reverberating, saying,
I'm gonna hurt you first. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you first. Oh, you'll be the one. Yeah, you'll be the only one that's crying. Ooh, so I'm gonna hurt you first.